Good morning, class 4. Hope you are all fit and fine. Today we will learn how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of money. Okay, so let's start today's worksheet. Look at the today's worksheet. Here I am going to show how to do addition of decimal number and mainly addition of money. You know how to do addition of decimal numbers? Here in case of money, money also represent in the form of decimal. So the process of doing addition of decimal numbers and money both are same. Here look at the first sum. Addition first. Part A. Here I gave the sums first in the form of row and then I arrange the numbers column wise. Look at the numbers carefully. First of all, rupees 450.64 and rupees 96.86. These two numbers we will add. Now arrange the numbers. As I taught you in your early classes that in case of decimal number, we will keep the decimal in the same place and accordingly we will arrange the numbers. Here money in this sum also we have to do the same thing. We will keep the decimal in the same place and thereafter we will arrange all number. So rupees 450 you can see and add with rupees 96.86. So decimal in the proper place and thereafter you will add the numbers. Addition I will not teach you because you already know how to do addition. Same way you will do the addition and finally you will write answer rupees 547.50. So what is the difference between addition of decimal and addition of money? There is only one difference. Here in case of money you will write the unit. You will write the unit rupees positively. Okay. Now come to the next sum. Look at the second one, part B. B, I write here rupees 6 and rupees 0.76. Rupees 0.76 means it is actually 76 paise. So rupees 6 add with 76 paise. You will arrange the numbers accordingly. Rupees 6.00. As rupees 6 is only given, so after decimal there is nothing, no paise, so we can put 20 after decimal, because in last class I taught you in money after decimal there will be only two digits. So in paise there is no paise here, so you will put only 2 digits here. That means it is 6 rupees 0 paise. So I write it like this, 6.00. Now here the second number was rupees 0.76. That means 76 paise. So accordingly you will write rupees 0.76 and this is a very easy addition and finally we got the answer rupees 6.76. Okay. Now come to the next part of today's worksheet. Next part is subtraction. Arrange and do normal subtraction. First, part number C, rupees 94.76 from rupees 510. In subtraction, you must remember always will keep the bigger number on the top at first. So rupees 510 is bigger than 94. So it is rupees 510. You will arrange and write in the form of rupees and paise with decimal. So rupees 510 is nothing but 510.00. I don't have any place to write here, so you can see I write like this because after decimal nothing, that means no paise is there, so we can put 2 extra 0 over there. Okay, so same way you write down rupees 510.00. Next number is given 94 rupees 76 paise. You will keep the decimal in the same place according to the earlier number, same place decimal, and arrange the number and write down 94.76. If you write 9 just below 5, that means I am showing here 510.00 and 94.76. If you write 94 point 76 like this. If you write it like this, is it correct? If you can see, I write 5 below 9, 1 below 4 and decimal just below 0. Is it correct process? No, this is totally wrong. So always keep in mind decimal will be in the same place. You can see decimal is always in the same place. And arrange and do simple subtraction. Rupees 510.00. We have in the next number 76 paise. So I write here 76 first, then decimal as usual in the proper place, and then 9449, and then nothing. That means you can put 10 also here. If you want, you can put 10 before 9. Okay, now do subtraction. Simple subtraction. Here is on the top, here is 0 and bottom there is 6. So we can't do subtraction, so we have to borrow 1. 0 paise. From 0 paise, can you subtract 76 paise? No. So for that we have to borrow 1 from rupees. Rupees means 510. If we take 1 from 510, 510 become 509, and 509, and this side it is became 100. 1 rupees we took from rupees portion, so 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So you can see here, now it is on the top, it is 100 paise. Now 100 paise, but our work is not over because here is 0 and here is 6. So 0 and 6 we can't do subtraction, so we take 1 from these 10. So this 0 is become 10 and these 10 became 9. So 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. Now decimal, and here 9 minus 4 is 5. And 0 minus 9. Can you do? No. So again we have to borrow 1 from 5. 5 became 4 and this 0 become 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1 and 4 minus 0 is 4. So final answer is 415.24. 415 rupees 24 paise. Let's see what I wrote in the worksheet. Yes, it is 415 rupees 24 paise. So 20 and this is 95. Can you do subtraction? 95 from 20? No. This paise portion, simple subtraction is not possible. So what to do? We have to borrow 1. Borrow 1 from rupees. Now you know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So you take 1 from these 326. So 326 become 325. Okay, and these 1 rupees as you take from this side, so rearrange and you will finally get 120 paise, because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise and already here is 20 paise. So 100 plus 20, that is 120 paise. Now see, here is 0 and here is 5. Can you do subtraction? No. So what to do? We have to borrow 1 from these 12. From 12 you take 1. So this 0 become 10 and 12 became 11. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 11 minus 9 is 2. Okay, so paise portion is over. Now coming to rupees. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So final answer is 111 rupees 25 paise. This is our final answer. Okay. Come to the next part of today's worksheet. Now look at the next part, that is multiplication. Multiplication of money. Multiply rupees 8.65 by 7. If you do this multiplication, this is very easy one. Actually, at the beginning, just ignore decimal. Just ignore decimal and do simple multiplication of the whole numbers. That means, suppose here is 865, that number you multiply by 7. Simple multiplication you do. 5 sevens are, write down, 5 sevens are 35, 5 carry 3. Now 6 sevens are 42 plus 3 is 45, 5 carry 4. 5 eights are 56 plus 4 is 60. So as a whole number multiplication you have learned, you will do the simple same multiplication here. After doing the multiplication, after your work, you will just put decimal before 2 digits in case of money. 1, 2. So decimal will be here. After putting the decimal, write the unit, that is rupees, in the proper place. So our work is over. Our answer is 60 rupees 55 paise. Okay, so done. Come to the next one. Next one, that is also same. You will do, actually this is a multiplication of the whole number 80907 multiply by 38. This work you will do fast. That means 80,907 multiplied by 38. Simple whole number multiplication you will do. Just 2-step multiplication you complete. Thereafter, as I told you in the last sum, what you will do? You will put the decimal just before 2 digits. So before 2 digits, 1, 2, done. Before 2 digits multiplication, after multiplication you will put the decimal and unit in the proper place. So finally our answer is rupees 30,744.66. I write rupees 25.38 divided by 6. Simple division, as you know, you have to do here. First of all, write divisor and dividend in the proper place. After writing, you will check 6 one digit, and here first digit is only 2. So within 2, 6 is not coming in the table, so we'll go for the next digit, that is 25. Within 25, the table of 6, how many times it will go? It will go 4 times. 6 4s are 24. Now do subtraction. 1 is coming. Now after subtraction, 1 is here and 8 is coming here. So 18. 6 3s are 18. So our division is over and our answer is 4.23. 4.23, and in the answer, what is the important work? You will write rupees symbol. That is most important. So our division is completed here. Now come to the next. Now students, come to the last part of today's worksheet. That is last division. Here I took the number 985.16. This is the dividend and 11 is the divisor. Now simple division, if you do, just follow that step first. 11 is 2-digit number. So in this case, from the dividend, we'll take the first 2 digit, that is 98. 98, within 98, 11 8 times can 8 times can we go. So 11 8s are 88. Now subtract, 10 is coming. Next 5 digit 5, third digit 5 is coming down. 105, within 105, how many times 11 table it will go? So 9 11s are 99. Now subtract again. After subtraction, 105 minus 99, that is 6 is coming here. As 6 is coming here, next step 1. 1 is, before coming 1 down, you can see after 5 there is decimal. So this decimal first we have to place on the quotient. As the decimal come to the quotient after 9, then we can pull down that 1 here. Now the 61, within 61, 11 table, how many times it can go? So 11 5s are 55. 61 minus 55, that is 6. Now last digit of the dividend, that is 6 is coming down again. So 66. So 6 11s are 66. So our quotient is 89.56. Now last task of this division, that is, we'll write quotient. We'll write quotient. What is the quotient? Quotient is rupees 89.56. This is our answer. Okay, and remainder is 0.